How you doing, Dr. Chow? My name is Joshua Bourne. I'm with La Fiesta Group.
I'm Saran Cabo.
And I'm Eduardo Rubio.
Our design was a modification of the original design because of the limits of the 3D printer. For the previous design, the holes were too small due to the too many of them, making the inside of the cube full of detail for the printer to work. In other words, the small triangles that we had that made up four faces of our cube, it was too small for a detail for the 3D printer. So with that result, we had to make a more simple design. At the time, our inspiration came from the honeycombs from bees. So instead of using hexagons, we started using circles. With hexagons, the figures inside the cube were making the cube weaker. So we started adding circular holes to the cube and to finally create our pattern on four sides of the porous cube.
We started running into some issues with our new design. We used 8x8 part and circle to cut through the cube using the extrude command that also has a weak stress to compress. So we decided to use 6x6 parallel and we had similar result giving us a weak structure. We also tried with a 4x4 finding better result but not what we're looking for.
We created 9 circles with a 2.5 diameter and a rectangular pattern. We use a 1mm diameter circle to fill the large spaces on the face of the cube to create more complex design and use less materials for the 3D printer to work with. By using less material in the real world, we save more money and keep a strong structure when we're talking about real engineering. After this, we run it and it was so far the best cube we made. And the volume is 1.1 centimeter cube with a porosity of 70%. This is our project cube design.